Hey guys, this is Bhumika and today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate fudge. This is one of those few chocolate sweets that I can't stop myself from eating, mostly because it has a hint of coffee in it, but it's really special. Let's see how it's done. I'm using an open pan for this. On medium flame, let's melt butter. Once the butter has melted, we'll add condensed milk. If you want to know how to make condensed milk at home, you can follow the link in the description box below. Stir the condensed milk and butter together and add cocoa powder. It blends better when the mixture is warm. Stir it till the mixture is lump free and starts leaving the sides of the pan. Then we'll add sugar and coffee powder and we'll keep stirring till the sugar melts completely. This is so thick and luscious, it looks so beautiful right now. Then take it off the heat and fold in roasted walnuts. You can use any nuts of your choice. Place it into a greased mold. I'm using a ring and a tray here. You could use whatever you have at hand. I'm using a spatula to evenly spread the mixture into the ring. And then I'm topping it off with some more roasted walnuts. Let it set for 30 to 40 minutes at room temperature and then you can unmold it. And that's how easy it is to make this super delicious fudge. Try it out and let me know about your experience in the comment section below. I'm sure you're gonna love it. See you next time.